Good morning, class. If you watched our letter video already, you would have seen that our letter of the week this week is the letter X. And these words that we're going to practice reading, a lot of them have X's in them. And I apologize, I'm trying to figure out how it looks like that's going to work. Okay, so we're going to start right here and we're going to practice sounding out this word and putting the sounds together. So help me. Ox. Ox. Read it fast. Ox. Let's do the next one. Sounds first, stretch it, and then say it fast. J-a-m. Jam. Jam. Let's do the next one. Ox. Fox. Fox. And if you can read these faster than me, good work. If you can't, that's all right. Just try and do it with me. Ix. Mix. Mix. J-a-g. Jog. Jog. Fix. 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 And again, if you can read these faster than me, good work. N-a-b. Nab. Nab. D-a-g. Dog. Dog. Max. 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 Very good. Now, I encourage all of you to stop this movie and play it again without its sound and see if you can read them without me. You can play this video every day and it'll help you get automatic or more fluent with reading those words. Those words, a lot of them are going to be in our weekly readers for this week. You're going to see lots of words with the letter X in them. So remember, the X says X, and our goal is that we want to read those words as fluently as we can. Good luck reading.